This project is fingerprint based attendance system. Here audio connections are Arduino and its data board along with the power supply, 16:2 LCD display. Fingerprint module R307 connected to Arduino uart port. Here two switches, first one for enrolling and second one for identification. These two switches and buzzer connected to Arduino digital pins. Now power on this. Initially, we have to enrolling the fingerprint using this enrolling switch. Once enrolling is done, every time enrolling is not required. Here, we enroll 3 fingers, each fingerprint allocated to sample name like Ram, Krishna and Sumit. These names hard coded into Arduino code. More than 3 fingers also we can do. First we have to put finger here, press the enrolling. Second finger. Third finger. To monitor the attendance, here we develop software application in C#. This software application can take data from Arduino through USB to serial adapter. Application will store student present information in text file with respect to date and time. Here USB to serial. One end is connected to Arduino uart and the second one is connected to monitor. We have to open the software. Fingerprint based attendance system. Here we have to select the COM port 6. Baud rate is 9600. Now open. To save the data in file, please click on the file button. OK. Open file. Here we have to create a notepad new file. That file name is student information. While doing attendance, students have to keep finger on module and press identification button. For example, student 1, press the identification. Authorized ID Ram. Student number 2, press the identification. Authorized ID Krishna. Here third student is absent. We can see the data in file. Date 10/4/2021 and Ram is present and Krishna present. Third student Sumit is absent. If anyone absent, it will not showing in this file.